Hello everybody, here today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the lower ball joint on 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Okay, let's get started guys. So this number 21 millimeter. And upper control arm in here is number 18. And the brake caliper slider we use number 21 millimeter too. So we're gonna remove the calipers now. And we're gonna remove the ABS wire in his out. See the ABS wire, we need to remove it out. Hi sir.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Hey, he's got his feet up today. Take it a little easy.
Stop bone.
What's that? Kind of cool in here, which is good for the summer, huh?
Yeah. For the summertime, outside of HDB, open the door front here. Woo, it's nice.
Yeah, good. Okay, good. Do you have a 10? Oh, there is a 10 there. Okay, I thought there was 3 20s. Okay, have a good day, Cole.
Take care.
Here,
And disconnect the wire plug in here. Yes, you see the ABS wire need to be removed.
What's that? You want to write down cash?
Here you go.
Maybe.
And next time to knock this one's out.
All
Okay.
right. Have a good day.
For the thank you sir.
Okay.
And this is the tie rod. Just knock on the bottom, gonna piece out. So the next, the upper control arm here, you need to knock it out too. And next time to remove the lower ball joint bolts. Digits number 2020, let me see, That's 21. That's 21 millimeter. This is so rusty. So now it's time to remove the ball joint. See the ball joint here? Set up the tool. Yes, it's perfect. Come out. This old ball joint look like. So the new ball joint, I used the Moog ball joint to get a part number in K80629. It's good. Let me remove. time to install the snap ring. And a filler. After install the filler, we can install the spindle, knuckle back in, everything back in, and good to go. Here you go. And after this, I'm gonna fill up some grease inside the ball joint. Here you go. Just pump the grease in a little bit. Oh no, shit, this one broken. Huh? How the hell it broke it? That broke from yesterday, I think so. Okay, so just put the filler in. Oh, come out. That's it. We feel it. Let me move the camera back a little bit. I get more room to work on it. So it's time to install the spindle knuckle back in. Can you see clearly or not? Okay, let me rest this up a little bit. Okay, here you go. And put the upper control arm bolt or nuts in here. Just put the nut back in. I'm gonna tie the lower ball joint nut in here, number 21mm. Here you go. Number 18 on the upper control arm. And the next part, don't put the tie rod yet. We install the ABS sensor wire. Lock it in. ABS plug in, and after you put the ABS wire on it, it's time to install the rotor back. Put the rotor. I'm gonna put the bacon plate in here. Bacon plate is so rusty, you know, like it's hard for me too. Let me remove this out a little bit. Cannot keep this one. in there. So the bacon plate gonna hit with the rotor, you're gonna hear the cracking noise all the time. So cut some out. You know, New England, it's so rusty. So just cut it some. And I'm gonna put a rotor back in. Spin it, make sure it doesn't touch anything. And after we install the caliper, okay, so I'm gonna put one wheel nut to hold the rotor in place. I don't want it to keep playing, this is hard for me. And next we install the caliper, okay. Caliper. And the bowl in here, number 21. Wow. Here number 21 millimeter. Oh, it doesn't want to go in. Come on, man. Here you go. So, 21 millimeter for the bolts. Just tightening this up and and last part, just put the outer tie rod. It will use number 21 millimeter also, so just install it and tightening it. It's all set. Okay guys, it's all set right now. Is how to change the low ball joint on 05 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let me show you the new ball joint look like in here. Already installed it. Can you see it a little bit clearly? Yeah, it's perfect, guy. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Any questions, just let me know, and I'm happy to give you more detail on it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.